Hello! In this short video, I'll show you how you can use the service for NFC tags encoding, the Taglme Encoder. You will learn how to create configurations for NFC tags and encode them. The service consists of two parts, a web application and a mobile Android application. Using a web application, we can create and edit NFC tag configurations. You can work with it using your computer or laptop with a full-size keyboard and monitor. This is especially helpful if you need to encode many different NFC tags. All configurations created by us are stored and can be reused for future NFC tag encoding. Let's go to the web application and start working with it. To log in, you must enter the username and password that was set during registration. At the Start screen, a list of groups with configurations for encoding NFC tags will be displayed. Let's create a new group. In the window, we specify the name of the group. If necessary, you can also specify some additional description. The created group appeared on our list. Now go to the created group. Here we can create the configurations themselves, which can then be written to the NFC tags. Let's create a new configuration. Choose the type of record you want to create. For our example, let's first create a web link type record. In the window that appears, we enter the web link which we want to write to the NFC tag. We can also specify a name for this configuration. In the encoding options, we can specify the number of copies we need, for example, 2. And also whether it is necessary to lock the tag from overwriting. All right, let's save the tag configuration. We see that the configuration created by us appeared on the list. We can view the contents of the configuration or edit it if necessary. Let's create another configuration, for example, a business card. Enter the name, surname, and phone number. We also point out that we need one copy and that we will not lock the tag from overwriting. The second configuration also appeared on our list. Now, we can open our Android mobile application to encode them. Launch Taglme NFC Terminal mobile application. If you're launching it for the first time, you will need to enter your account username and password. On the Start screen, we see a list of groups that we have. There's the group that we created earlier in the web application. If we go to this group, then we'll find our records. You can see the contents of these records. With the mobile application, we can also edit them. We can change the information and save it. Let's look at the application menu. We are interested in the Terminal menu item, which is used to encode the tags. Go into that. Here, we will send configurations for encoding the tags. After that, we will only need to touch NFC tags to the smartphone one by one in order to encode them. It is like a print queue, but for NFC tag encoding. Now, the terminal is empty. Go to our group and send the configuration to the encoding. Click on the launch icon and choose to send everything and go. We move to the terminal, which now has 2 configurations to encode. In total, we need 3 NFC tags, which we will encode one by one. Let's try to encode them. We see that there are no more encoding records left in the terminal, and the counter shows that 3 tags have been encoded successfully. Now, check what we have recorded on the tags. We must have 2 tags with a web link and 1 tag with a business card. So let's try the first tag. The tag should launch the browser and open the web page that we have written down. Now, let's check the tag with the business card. we have a contact that we encoded, and we can import it into our address book. This concludes this short overview of the NFC tag encoding service, Taglme Encoder. More detailed instructions can be found on the website of the service.